Hello, estate owners. I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintacla. And for today's touring, we are here at San Antonio Residence, located here in Senator Hill Puyat Avenue, corner Malugay Street. So this is our newest condo here in Makati, and I'm excited to show you our 3-bedroom unit, 93 square meters. So tara! So upon entering to your unit, so at the back of the door is the general main switch. So nandito na lahat yung sa lights natin, and then range hood oven, and then of course, ang hindi mawawala sa deliverables ni Mega World is the video intercom. So if you are new to my channel, this video intercom is connected to the lobby. So if you have parcel or visitors, you can see them from here. And on my right side is your spacious kitchen area. So that. And maganda dito guys is we have 2 stainless steel sink. Okay. And we have granite countertop, and of course your under counter and overhead cabinets. And of course meron din tayong another space here. So kung gusto niyo pang maglagay ng oven, yan, so pwede pa siya dito, and additional storage pa dito sa taas. And of course, over here is the provision for your refrigerator right here. And then over here is your spacious maid's room area. So dito, kasya pa dito, I think, single bed. So kasya pa siya. And then dito na rin yung provision natin para sa ating washer. So we have tiny toilet and bath here. Meron na rin siyang shower na included. So di ba sobrang ganda ng layout niya. So perfect talaga to for big family. And of course, right here is your spacious living area. So ang nagustuhan ko dito sa unit na to is sobrang daming bintana. So ibig sabihin, mas kahit sa day, kahit di ka na mag-on ng lights, is maliwanag pa rin siya. And of course, the view. And over here is the location for your dining area. So approximate for your dining area is 4 to 5 seaters. And right here is the location for your sofa, and pwede ka pa maglagay dito ng table. Yan. And of course, over here is the provision for your aircon. And take note guys, dito is sobrang ganda ng view nyo. So meron kayong view ng Manila and Skyway Stage 3 going to Balintawak and airport. So very convenient and napakaganda ng location niya guys. And of course, to continue this tour, over here is meron kayong hallway going to your bedroom. So by the way, 3 bedrooms to, and this is the first bedroom. So let us check. So here is your first bedroom. Of course, our floor is made up of ceramic wood planks, and meron pa rin tayong, what I said is maraming bintana yung unit na to. So that's why napakaganda niya. And meron tayong provision para sa inyong aircon. So same yung view natin, sobrang ganda. And the good thing is located to sa higher floor. So that's why you have a good view. And of course, hindi mawawala sa deliverables natin is the built-in cabinet. And now let's proceed to your second bedroom. So over here is your second bedroom. So by the way, this is a corner unit. So sobrang ganda nung ating second bedroom. Look at that. So come on guys. So if you want to experience this view, just contact us. And ayan, so we have the same view, sobrang ganda. So kita-kita mo dito yung Manila. Ayan. And of course, dito pala sa room na to, kasya dito ang queen size bed. Okay, and we have 2-door built-in cabinet right here. And of course, meron tayong common toilet and bath here. So, sobrang spacious din ang ating toilet and bath. So we have half glass partition for your shower. So we have complete sanitary fittings dito sa inyong toilet and bath. So, pwede rin siyang gamitin for your guests. And of course, your master's bedroom. So, sobrang lawak ng ating master's bedroom. So, dito kasya pa yung queen size bed din. And then, dito is meron tayong 4-door built-in cabinet. Yan. So, kasama na siya sa upon turnover natin. So, dito is meron pa rin tayong additional space. This one, so since malaki yung ating master's bedroom, meron pa tayong dito pwedeng office area. So, yan, kung nakikita nyo. And of course, you have your own toilet and bath here dito sa inyong master's bedroom. So, again, we have complete sanitary fittings dito sa inyong toilet and bath. So, we have a total of 3 toilet and bath here in your 3-bedroom unit in San Antonio residence. So, by the way, guys, hindi ko na mention kanina. So, this unit is near on the fire exit. Yan. So, and that's the end of our tour. If you want to view the actual unit, feel free to message me on the details shown on your screen. And we have a promo for this month in San Antonio resident for only 3% down payment is pwede na kayong makapag-move in. So, if you want to know more about our project here or the details, so just message me or contact me on the details shown on your screen. And that's the end of our tour. Thank you for watching. Bye!